how to recover disabled Facebook account. So if you want to recover your disabled Facebook account, then you just need to simply go with your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with, and go with the search. Under search, you need to search for disable Facebook account. Now you just need to simply go with the first option, which is www.facebook.com, and here it will take you to this kind of page where you just need to simply choose the option. So your Facebook account might be disabled because of you not agreeing to the terms and conditions. So make sure that you've agreed to the terms and conditions of Facebook. And if you've agreed, like for example, if you've posted content that doesn't follow the Facebook terms, then your account will be disabled. Or if you've used a fake name or impersonating someone or continuing behavior that's not allowed on Facebook and goes against our community guidelines or the standards, and contacting other people for the purpose of harassment, advertising, promoting, or other conduct that's not allowed. So if you've done this, then you won't be able to fix or recover your account. But if you've not done any of these, and if you've followed the terms and conditions, then you just need to simply go with fix a login problem, or you can scroll down and then go with Facebook community guidelines. So I'll suggest you to go with fix a login problem, and here go with account has been hacked, and then go with the second option. Now tap on get started, and here you need to tell something. So you just need to simply choose an option, someone else gained access to my account, and then no, I can't log in. And if you have the mobile number or email address, then simply tap on it, or if you don't have, then go with the second option. So I'll be choosing the first one because I have the access to the phone number and email address. And here it says that you need to simply log out of the account you're currently using and go to the facebook.com, click on the forgot account, and follow the on-screen instructions. So you just need to simply go back, and then you can simply search for Facebook Help Center, and then tap on Facebook's Help Center. And here you need to go with managing your account and go with the login and password, and then tap on fix a login problem and go with find your account page. Tap on find your account, and it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply enter the email or the mobile number which is associated with your account. So I'll be entering the mobile number, and then tap on search, and here you will get the accounts. So if this is your account, then simply tap on this is my account, and you can simply enter your password, or if you don't remember your password, go with try another way. And here you will get these options. So you can simply choose the code through the email address which you will receive the code, and you will be able to enter the code and you'll be able to log in. Or you can simply go with the second option, which is send code through WhatsApp or through SMS, or you can simply enter the password. You can simply choose any one of these options, and then you'll be able to log into your account by the verification code. So that's how you can recover your disabled Facebook account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.